Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos. Let me just say, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I put sorry guys, every time I post a new video. Guys, I think by today would I feel better. Well, I wouldn't say me not feel, but me not even me not even know what to say. But me I know. Me think me feel a little bit better than yesterday, but not much. The coughing get worse, and then the coughing is like, I know, my throat hurt me. And now the headache start. You know when you cough, the headache. And then, trust me, when I don't want to catch no flu now. If when the fear rain start drizzle, run out tight. Don't stay in the rain. If you see somebody a sneeze, cough, drop, take away yourself from around them. And you just don't want to catch no flu right now. But, this morning when I woke up, I got few stuff done. One thing with me, when me feel little tips better, I'm gonna make use of it. Plus, I just want to get the whole store out of the way and give one. Somebody just want to work fast, so me can just done with this whole fixing up. Anyways, I would say I'm 85% done. Only thing left to do at the back room. I don't know, I'm not gonna do not much to the back room because the back room is Jason's man cave. But for now, like, I gotta take out the bag and pan them because when we did move around the place, everything they just go in the back room just for have the space for work with. So in there kind of junk up now. And Jason, I feel like they're in the living area and stuff like that. Even though I'm always in the living area, but I'm mostly in there when I watch TV or eat dinner or, But I know say I'm missing man cave because I'm in there, so him creative juices really flow. I in the same doing editing. Him look at work them, so so I just want to give him back that space. So that's all I have left for the around there, and the bathroom for just to put up the bathroom shower curtain. The plastic is already up because I know what the bathroom put up when we bed. But please, without everything turn, my chest start hurt me. That's what I say. But please, without everything turn out, I can say one and two places would I do well with certain things, but I forgot just do it out and just save up to get them there at a later date. Because you're never can get everything one time, but as you fix up and I go on, you're going to say, okay, this would I do well with this or that. And I don't like when both are sick because one we have to help one. But me are normally the stronger one. Now discredit him, but me are normally the stronger one when me sick. Matter of fact, women are normally stronger, like pain-wise and them something there. But yeah, that's how I go on. I decide, so I not miss no day of VLOGMAS. So I say, you know what? Come here, Andrea, you need to gather up the strength, pick up the camera and give them an update. Because when I tell you, I am not missing any day of VLOGMAS. I am not missing it. I don't miss it. I'm serious. So, yeah, this is how I go on. Anyways, I'm going to end off the video here. I not even know how much minutes it's going to be, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm going to take one pill and go sleep because tomorrow I want to feel much better because me are done in the back room. I just want everything to be completed. I don't want nothing left behind. The reason why it takes so long though, because normally I would have finished already. But the reason why it takes so long because we do a lot of deep cleaning and just get rid of some stuff. I always pack up in the house like stuff we don't want. And it don't make no sense, like certain little box, like when we buy something we have a box them. and then one shirt bleach out and it just still did it. And so whole heap of little things we did that, just move out of the way. So whole heap of deep cleaning. And until we not even didn't know so much dust we have a deal with, but it was so much dust in the house. So we literally have like dust done every single thing. Guys, me gone.